First, let me tell you what this story isn't about. This isn't a don't text or you'll die lecture. There are lots of those messages already out there. What the story is about is how and why we get distracted.
Oh, hey.
And so we step into the private world of the driver.
System is insane. Weaving through the traffic, causing havoc. I'm erratic and I'm banging on your block, and I got it bouncing like a mattress. Jamming when I'm driving, got my music in your face, and I'm rolling at my window when I hit you with that hard.
Okay, so my dad had come home and he had said, "Oh, you're in a documentary with your brother," and I'm like, "Okay, this is not real." And he's like, "No, really, like you're gonna be in a documentary for distracted driving," and I'm like, "What?"
We've brought together a film production team. A company called Safety Track is installing specially designed in-car cameras.
Every once in a while, I'll look up and I'll go, oh, crap. She can totally see me.
There's a group of transportation researchers and 10 willing participants.
There you go. Okay.
You didn't want to do it at all.
No, not at all.
Well, really 8. 2 dropped out. And we're monitoring their driving behavior for 6 months.
I've always had opinions of everybody else's driving. It's only fair that I put myself out there and let my driving style be shown for what it is and own it.
You notice the cup in her hand.
Researchers at the University of Connecticut will be storing and analyzing hundreds of hours of driving footage.
I just want to know how much I truly am on it. Like in an hour drive, out of the whole hour, I want to know, am I on it for 50 minutes of my drive or am I on it for 15 minutes?